Hi guys. So today I decided to do a mukbang. I'm not sure if you will enjoy it or not, but you can let me know in the comments. So cheers, by the way. If you like these kind of videos, you can let me know in the future. If you don't like these kind of videos, you can also let me know in the future. I just wanted to eat a cake, but then I ended up thinking like, why wouldn't I do a full mukbang? You know guys, like a full mukbang. Can I show it to you? I don't know. Usually you should see the food. These are just potatoes, two sausages and egg. Fried egg. I love eggs. And then these are salad, you know. I actually bought them from the store, but I added cucumber, avocado, tomato, onion, mayonnaise, like the good kind of salad that's not gonna make you too bloated or whatever. So guys, I'm actually going on a detox from tomorrow. I said, why not? Why not just eat tonight? And these are some potatoes. See, I am quite new to the mukbang scene. This is some mayonnaise. Oh yeah, I love mayonnaise. Since I'm quite new to the mukbang scene, so I guess this is the best I can. Oh, I need some mustard. You know, guys, what is a sausage without a good old mustard? More salad dress, please. That mustard just bite me through. Thirsty Thursday. I love a cold beer, just like so refreshing. Excuse me. Oh, so nice. I have a little sachet of ketchup here. Gonna put it on potatoes. Who really knows? So good. Man, I just yeah. It just feels so good. Excuse me. I'm such a piggy. Most of the times. Uh-oh. On my leg. You can't see it. Yum, yum. More mayonnaise. So I'm more of a savory kind of girl. You know, the savory, salted, fatty. Apart from beer, I don't enjoy carbs and sugary snacks and sodas and all that jazz. No. If you would give me like potato chips and a cake, potato chips, like, you know, potato, with salt, cake, not so much. So, yep. More salad, yes, please. I always like that plate because it's good for you, you know. Especially when you don't know when is your next meal, you eat everything you can. Oh my goodness. I'm always gassy. But like, it's also cute, you know. It's just not too bad, like. I'm almost done. I always finish my plate. When I eat the food I like, you know. Guys, well, take it or leave it. I'm excited. Excited. I am excited. This is my excited face. Well, both plates finished.